All right, we're here at Mobile International Speedway, here with Wayne Askew with Quick Shine. We've got our house car from Savage Performance here. He's got it displayed out here at the track. We've got the wing sprint cars tonight. We're going to speak to Mr. Askew. Wayne, how you doing today? Good, man. Tell us about your product. Tell us why you're here.
We're here for the sprint car race. Got a lot of them coming in. We're here with Quick Shine 99. What's that? Quick Shine 99.
Tell us about your product, and let's just show us real quick how it works. Tell us about this. So this is a waterless spray where you don't have to wash something. You just spray it on and wipe it off, right? Yeah.
Steve McQueen, Burt Reynolds, Jerry, bandits in a fast machine.
Awesome. Well, look, stop by the display booth here and see Wayne Askew with Quick Shine 99. Wayne, how much is a can? There you go. Very nice. Stop by and see Wayne, get some Quick Shine 99, and come watch these sprint cars put on an amazing show.